The Milky Way is on a collision course. The Milky Way is heading straight for an epic collision, and it's going to be spectacular. Our galaxy is on a collision course with our neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy, and the two are set to merge in about 4.5 billion years. While that might sound like a long time, in cosmic terms, it's just around the corner. Imagine two colossal star systems, each with hundreds of billions of stars, colliding and creating an entirely new galaxy. The result will be a galactic makeover unlike anything we've ever seen. But don't panic. This isn't the kind of collision where stars smash into each other. Even though the Milky Way and Andromeda each span hundreds of thousands of light-years, the space between stars is so vast that direct impacts are incredibly rare. Instead, the gravitational forces will tear at both galaxies, flinging stars into new orbits and reshaping them into a single massive structure. Scientists predict this new galaxy could look like a giant elliptical blob or perhaps a beautiful mix of shapes. They've even given it a name: Milkomeda. The lead-up to this cosmic event is already happening. Andromeda is hurtling toward us at about 250,000 miles per hour, which might sound fast, but in the vastness of space, it's a slow-motion dance. Right now, Andromeda is about 2.5 million light-years away, but its immense gravitational pull is already affecting our galaxy. The halos of gas and dark matter surrounding the two galaxies are likely starting to interact, setting the stage for the grand merger to come. What's amazing is that our solar system could end up in a completely different part of the galaxy when it's all over. Some scientists think we might even get flung closer to the center of the new galaxy, while others say we could end up on the outskirts. Either way, the night sky will look dramatically different with new constellations and dazzling views of star-forming regions. This collision is a reminder of just how dynamic and ever-changing the universe is. A grand cosmic ballet where galaxies collide, merge, and transform, all while creating breathtaking new wonders.